we are presenting a technical competency project on Smart Campus Navigation System. Our team members are Ashita, Lakshmi, Nisha, and Shreya. Now I'm going to introduce about our topic Smart Campus Navigation System. Navigating large campuses can be confusing for new students, visitors, or event attendees. Campuses are living, breathing ecosystems, constantly shifting, growing, and evolving. Our Smart Campus Navigation System uses machine learning to decode this complexity in real time, delivering a navigation experience that has dynamic as a campus itself. No more dead ends, no more confusions, only intelligent, seamless journeys. The challenges faced by the students in the colleges are they are lost in the buildings, halls, and crowds. Campus navigation has been stuck in the past. We disrupt that with AI-powered routes and that anticipate your needs, predict congestion before it happens, and guides you effortlessly from a point A to B every time. The user-centric campus traveler is unique. Our system listens to your habits, adapts to your preferences, and charts the smartest path personalized just for you. Powered by machine learning, it's navigation that thinks and learns like you do. A smart campus navigation system can improve user experience by providing real-time directions. This project integrates machine learning for intelligent path optimization and user behavior prediction. And next will be problem statement. Large educational campuses are often complex with multiple buildings, floors, and departments spread over vast areas. Students, staffs, and visitors frequently struggle with navigation, leading to lost time, missed classes or appointments, increased stress, and reduced operational efficiency. Existing static maps and basic navigation tools fail to adapt to real-time conditions like congestion, path closure, or individual accessibility needs. There is a critical need for a dynamic
to develop a smart user-friendly campus navigation system. Develop a system that helps users easily find their way around the campus using innovative and efficient design. Machine learning for route recommendation. Use machine learning techniques to recommend the best possible routes for users based on various factors. Real-time data integration. Goals include dynamic data inputs like crowd density to adjust routes to the routes on the go for better efficiency and reduce congestion. Accessibility for differentially available users. Ensures the system is inclusive by offering features that support users with disability, making navigation easier and more equitable. Next slide will explain by Lakshmi.
Methodology. This slide outlines the step-by-step approach we need to develop the smart campus navigation system. Data collection. When we begin by collecting various types of campus-related data, map data showing building layouts and pathways, user movement patterns to understand the column routes, crowd density to detect congested areas, and extract coordinates of building and key location. This forms the foundation input for our system. Second, pre-processing. Next, we convert the map data into graph structures where nodes represent locations and edge represents paths between them. We also clean and normalize the user data to ensure accuracy and consistency of analysis. Third, model training. We applied supervised learning methods such as decision tree or support vector machines (SVM) to predict path, usage, or preference based on user behavior. This helps the system learn from real movement data to make smarter routing suggestions. Fourth, path finding algorithm. We use classical algorithm like Dijkstra or A star to compute the shortest path between 2 points on the campus graph. These paths are future adjusted using the input of the machine learning model, for example, to avoid crowded areas. Fifth, mobile or web app interference. Finally, we designed a simple user interference where users can input their destination. The system then processes this input and suggests the best routes considering both shortest distance and dynamic condition like congestion. Next slide. Here is our flow diagram, which is consist of user input, locational detection, prediction, ML model, route optimization in engine, navigation interface, and user feedback loop. Here is how it looks. Next will be continued by Ashita.
Applications. This slide outlines potential application for smart campus navigation system. New students and visitor navigation helps newcomers easily find their way around the campus without needing of assistance. Event-specific routing provides optimized route for attendees during special events like seminars or sports meeting. Emergency evacuation planning assists in generating safe and efficient evacuation paths during emergency such as fires and natural disasters. Accessibility assistance suggests paths that are accessible for individuals with disabilities, ensuring inclusivity. Crowd management during a peak hours helps control foot traffic by guiding people through less crowded paths to prevent congestion. Implementation of code.
Pip install. This runs a shell command to install Python libraries in a Colab notebook panel used for handling and analyzing the structured data like CSV files. Scikit learns a machine learning library, possibly for clustering or a classification. Network, a library for creating, manipulating, and visualizing graph and networks. Metapolite a plotting library used to visualize data. From Google.Colab, import files uploaded equal to files upload. From Google Colab, import files, import a model specific to a Google Colab that enables files upload from your Google machine. Files upload opens a file picker window so you can upload files like your two CSVs. Geometry navigation location CSV and location CSV uploaded shows metadata about the uploaded files too. It's not used directly here. Import pandas as PD. Import the pandas library under the alias PD so you can use PD, read CSV, PD, contact, etc. df1 is equal to pd read CSV content campus location 1 CSV. Loads the first CSV file, perhaps the main dataset of campus location, into data frame called df1. df2 is equal to pd read underscore CVS content secondary campus location CSV. Loads the second CSV files, possibly additional or backup location data, into a data frame called df2. df is equal to PD contact df, df2 drop duplicates a reset index drop equal to 2. PD contact df1, df2 combines the two data frames vertically, stack them row-wise, drop duplication. Removes any duplicate rows that might exist between the two files. Reset index drop equal to true. Resets the row index after removing the duplicates and drop the old index so you get a clear zero-based index. Print df column to list. Df is a pandas data frame. Df column gives an index object containing the column name of the data frame. ToList converts the index object into regular Python list. Print that the list of a column name to the console output. Df head returns the first 5 rows of the data frame. Df is equal to df rename column. Df rename is used to rename column in the data frame. The column is equal argument is a dictionary where key are the current column name. Values are the new column name. X could becomes X, Y could becomes Y, room name becomes location name. Thank you. Next, we'll continue by Lakshmi.
Here we are training ML model KNN. X is equal to d of x comma y. We select x and y coordinates from the dataset and store them in variable x. These will be a features input for our machine learning model. Y is equal to d of location name. We select the location name column as a target variable y, which the model will learn to predict based on x and y coordinates. We import required tools from scikit-learn, train test split to divide data into training and testing sets, k neighbors classifier to build our k nearest neighbor KNN model. X train, x test, y train, y test is equal to train test split, x, y test size is equal to 0.2, random size is equal to 42. We split our data into 80% for training the model, 20% for testing. Random state is equal to 42. Ensure consistent results every time we run the code. KNN is equal to k neighbors classifier, n neighbors is equal to 3. We create KNN classifier object with k is equal to 3, meaning the model will look at the 3 nearest neighbor to descend the predicted location. KNN.fit x train, y train. We train the KNN model using the training data, so it learns which x, y coordinate map to which location name. This is helper function that takes an x and y coordinate as input and returns a predicted location name using the trained KNN model. Build navigation graph. Import network as NX. We import network X, a Python library for working with graphs and network. This will help us build the structure for navigation. Nodes is equal to places, edges is equal to path. G is equal to nx.graph. We initialize an empty undirected graph G. Each node will represent a location on campus and edges will represent workable paths between them. This set up the base for the combining machine learning with a graph-based navigation system. Next will be continued by Harshita.
Print column with itself. Dist equals to location x minus location 2x star 2 plus location. This is a syntax error. 2 should be double star 2 for squaring. This calculates the equivalence distance between two locations using the x and y coordinates. If distance is smaller than 50, only consider connections where distance is less than 50 units. I had edge to a graph G between two location names with a distance as a weight. G should be a network X graph assumed to be declared earlier. Define get route, start and end. Defines a function to path between two nodes in a graph. Try return nx shortest path, source equals to start, target equals to end, weight equals to weight. It uses Dijkstra algorithm to find the shortest route from end to start based on edge weight. Except return no path found. If the route can't be found, it can return all the over feedbacks. Use the ML model to predict and get a route. There is an input coordinates representing the user current positions. Current location equals to predicted location, x input, comma y input. This calls a function predicted location that maps the coordinate to location name like cafeteria or admin block. Destination is equals to main library. Sets the target destination for a routing plan. Next will be continued by
Route is equals to get route current location, comma destination. It fetches the optimal path between current location and the destination using a routing function likely based on a graph traversals like Dijkstra or A star. Print current location and destination and route. Displays the current position, target, and the computed path in human readable sequences. Import matplotlib.pyplot has a PLT. It imports the plotting library using a visualizing the graph and the route. Pos is equals to nx.get node attributes G, comma pos. It retrieves the coordinates of each node in the graph G created using network X, assuming pos stores x, comma y layouts. Plt.figure, figure size is equals to 10, 8. Sets the canvas size for the route visualization to ensure clarity. Nx.draw G, POS, with labels is equals to true. Node size is equals to 500. Node color is sky blue. Font size is 8, which draws the entire graph nodes, their labels and default edges with styling for a better visibility. If len of route is greater than 1, path edges is equal to list route, route 1 is to generate the edge space for consecutive nodes in a route to highlight the actual traversal path. Nx.network x edges G.POS edge list is equal to path edges, edge color is equals to red, width is equals to 3. It overlays the computed routes onto the graph is red, emphasizing the real-time navigating path. Plt.title Smart Campus route adds a title to visualization for a content. Plt.show, which renders the plot in the output window, the final visual output showing the campus and the route. The result will be hybrid textual plus visual navigation system that cleans, interactive, and informative. Here, this is the output of our project, Smart Campus Navigation System. Next, the conclusion part will be continued by Harshita.
Conclusion. Our smart campus navigation system does not just solve a problem, it reshapes the entire campus experience by harnessing machine learning and real-time data. We create a navigation platform that's adaptive, personalized, and future-ready, reducing frustration, saving time, and enhancing accessibility for all the users. This project lays the foundation for a truly smart campuses where technologies and human needs align seamlessly. The journey does not end here. Continuously learning, integrating with other smart campus services, scaling to a diverse environment will unlock even greater potential. Together, we will not just mapping routes, we are charting a path to smarter, more connected, and more efficient educational communities. The future of campus mobility starts. Now let's build it. Thank you. Dear